These two piglets, they may look alike, but actually they're different inside. So what makes difference? It's nutrition. Would you believe? Well, let me tell you. They were born from the same diet with different omega-6, omega-3 ratio. Omega-6 and omega-3 ratio are the essential fatty acids that animals cannot produce, and they have to get from the diet. Omega-6 are precursor of pro-inflammatory molecules causing inflammation, which is essential for the immune system and protecting animals, especially the young ones, from infection and injury. In contrast, omega-3 are anti-inflammatory and immune modulators and support health and performance. And this is where omega-6 and omega-3 ratio comes into play. Too much omega-6 and too little omega-3 can cause the inflammatory disease and serious health problems. In fact, animals now eat much more omega-6 relative to omega-3, and ranging from 13:1 to 10:1 to 25:1. So, an appropriate diet with the omega-6 omega-3 ratio close to 1:1 can promote health and performance. And to examine this hypothesis in my research, high and low omega-6 omega-3 ratio were fed to the sows, and its effect was assessed on the piglet's performance and immune system. I found that low omega-6 omega-3 ratio can improve piglets' performance, but then tend to reduce the antioxidant power of their blood. Now, to better understand the differences at the molecular level, I use proteomic approach, which can help me to look at individual proteins in blood and intestinal tissue that respond to the high and low omega-6 omega-3 ratio. These proteomic techniques are still limited applied in animal science relative to that compared to human studies due to its high cost and limited genomic data available. Because proteins are the final products of gene expression. Now imagine animals can produce more than 1 million proteins out of 20,000 genes. So surprisingly, then proteins but not genes can make the difference in the phenotype of the cell or organisms. Now, this can be explained by the life cycle of the butterflies, where the butterfly can, and the pupa and larva share the same set of genes, but they have the difference in the set of proteins. So we cannot see this in pigs, but proteomics does. And by this, I want to discover the protein with the inflammation that can help to contribute to diagnosis of disease. Thank you.